In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets in QuickBooks Online. Managing your budgets effectively is crucial for keeping your financial plans on track and ensuring you're making the most of your resources. With QuickBooks Online, you have access to powerful tools that make managing your budget straightforward and efficient. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Financial Planning section. This option can be found on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you've clicked on that, you'll then select the Budgets tab. This area is your central hub for all budgeting activities within QuickBooks Online. You'll immediately notice a list displaying all the budgets you've created. Here, you can quickly review and manage every budget you've organized. Out to the right side of each budget entry, there's a small caret icon. This icon is your gateway to all the actions you can take for each individual budget. Clicking on this icon will show you options such as running detailed reports on the budget, viewing or editing it, archiving it for future reference, duplicating it if you need a similar budget with minor adjustments, or deleting it if it's no longer needed. For those of you who are looking to dive even deeper into your budgeting, QuickBooks Online offers the ability to import existing budgets or start from scratch by creating a new one. These options are conveniently located at the top right of your screen, making it easy to bring in external budget data or craft a new financial plan tailored to your current needs. If you prefer a more direct approach, you can open a budget directly by simply clicking it from the list. This takes you to the budget's detailed page, allowing you to instantly begin reviewing, updating, or analyzing it as necessary. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your budgets with confidence and precision in QuickBooks Online. Remember, effective budgeting is the cornerstone of sound financial management. And with these tools at your disposal, staying organized and on top of your finances has never been easier. With practice, you'll become more adept at navigating QuickBooks Online. And soon, managing budgets will feel like second nature. We hope this overview has provided you with a solid foundation to effectively manage your budgets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more of our how-to videos for additional support as you optimize your QuickBooks experience.